Hello everyone. Today I want to share 10 clever ways to make paper clips truly useful around the house. Aside from just holding papers together, let's explore all the surprising things they can do. Tip 1. Create a simple phone charger cable holder. If your charging cables always end up tangled on your desk, this little trick will save you a lot of frustration. Take a regular paper clip and attach it to the edge of your table, just like you see in the video. Make sure it's clipped tightly so it doesn't slip off. Now take your phone charging cable and thread it through the metal loop of the clip. And that's it. You've just made an incredibly simple cable holder. When you're done charging, unplug your phone and let the cable rest neatly in the clip instead of falling to the floor or getting tangled. This compact setup keeps your cables neat, easy to grab, and always right where you need them. You can even use several clips to organize multiple cords for your phone, laptop, or other electronics, so your workspace stays tidy and organized. And here's a bonus, this trick also works perfectly for holding small tools like scissors, screwdrivers, or pens. It's a quick, cost-free way to bring order and convenience to your desk or charging area, all with something you probably already have at home. Tip 2. Keep charging cables. Neat and tangle-free. That's not all. Sometimes you want to bring a charging cable with you, but worry it'll get tangled or be hard to find in your bag. In that case, you can simply make use of this binder clip. Start by neatly folding each cable into a small loop. You can wrap it around your hand or fold it back and forth until it forms a compact bundle. Once it's nice and tidy, secure it by clipping it in the center. The clip will hold the cable tightly in place and prevent it from unraveling no matter how much your bag moves around. You can even use binder clips of different sizes to match each type of cable, small clips for earbuds and larger clips for thicker charging cords. This is an extremely simple way to organize your cables, so they're easy to find and always ready when you need them. No more digging through a tangled mess of wires, just neat, easy-to-grab cables wherever you go. Tip 3. Snack bag and document clip. If you ever find yourself with a half-eaten bag of snacks and no good way to seal it, try this clever trick using just one paper clip and 2 popsicle sticks. Start by using a hot glue gun to attach a popsicle stick to each side of the paper clip. Let it dry for a few minutes until everything is firmly set. Once both sticks are securely attached, you'll have a wider, stronger clip that can seal tightly without tearing the bag. Now simply fold the top of your snack bag and clamp it shut with your new homemade clip. It seals perfectly, keeping your chips, cookies, or seasonings fresh, and it's super easy to open and close whenever you want a quick bite. I also discovered another great use for this clip. It works perfectly for holding papers or documents together. The longer popsicle sticks give it more sue. It's such a simple, practical way to reuse materials and keep things organized, whether you're in the kitchen or at your desk. Tip 4. Create a coffee cup holder for your desk. Have you ever accidentally knocked over your cup of coffee while moving papers around your desk? Oh no, coffee everywhere, dripping off the edge and all over the floor. Let's fix that with a simple DIY cup holder that keeps your drink safe and your workspace clean. All you need is a sturdy piece of wire and a paper clip. Start by bending the wire into a circle that fits perfectly around the bottom of your coffee cup. Then bend both ends outward to form small hooks that will attach to the clip. Follow along, it's easier than it sounds. Clip the binder clip to the edge of the desk Then trim off any excess wire on the outside so it fits neatly. Next, remove one of the metal handles from the paperclip and insert the wire hooks into the small holes where the handle was. Once secured, you'll have a compact, sturdy cup holder ready to use. Clip it to the side of your desk, and you can safely place your coffee right inside the holder. See how stable it is. Even if you bump the desk or move things around, your cup won't fall. This little trick saves space, prevents spills, and keeps your morning coffee exactly where it should be: steady, secure, and right. Tip 5. Make a simple phone stand. If you love watching movies, listening to music, or video chatting on your phone, but hate holding it all the time, this little trick is perfect for you. You can make a sturdy phone stand using just 2 paper clips. Start by hooking the metal arms of both clips together, just like I'm doing. Then take the remaining metal arm from one clip and insert it into the hinge area of the other. Don't rush, do it one side at a time so it locks in securely. Finally, bend the last metal arm downward to create a firm support stand. And just like that, you've got yourself a handy little phone holder made entirely from paper clips. You can adjust the angle until it feels stable and comfortable. Once it's ready, place your phone on the stand. You'll be surprised by how sturdy it is. The best part is that you can tilt or rotate your phone simply by adjusting the clips, making it great for hands-free viewing or browsing. You can even keep a few of these tiny stands in your bag or drawer. They're lightweight, take up almost no space, and work perfectly whenever you need a quick and easy phone stand. Tip 6. Make a simple photo or note holder. If you love keeping little reminders, photos, or cute notes on your desk, this clever idea will instantly brighten up your workspace. Start by taking a regular binder clip and folding both metal handles down to create a flat, sturdy base. Next, slide a photo right between the metal handle and the clip to hold it securely in place, and just like that, you've got yourself a simple and handy photo stand. It keeps everything upright, easy to see, and adds a personal touch to your desk without taking up much space. You can also use it to hold sticky notes or small documents. This is such an easy way to turn an everyday office supply into a functional and decorative display piece. You can even paint or decorate the clip to match your workspace. Use bright colors for a cheerful look or metallic tones for a clean, modern vibe. Tip 7. Keep your yarn from tangling with binder clips. Those who love knitting or crocheting have surely faced the struggle of tangled yarn that's nearly impossible to untangle. Don't worry, this trick is made just for you. You just need a few binder clips and attach them along the edges of your yarn basket or storage box. Each clip will serve as a guide for a different ball of yarn. Then thread the end of each strand through the metal loop of the clip as a way to separate and organize them. This setup helps prevent your yarn from tangling or rolling around while you knit. Instead, it stays neatly in the basket. It also helps you distinguish between different colors or types of yarn, making it easy to switch without confusion. Now knitting becomes effortless. You can freely create with neatly arranged, well-organized yarn thanks to these handy little binder clips. Isn't that wonderful? Tip 8. Make a hot glue gun stand. If you often use a hot glue gun, you've probably noticed how the glue tends to drip and make a mess all over your table. It's sticky, messy, and hard to clean up, right? Well, here's a quick and clever solution to fix that. Start by grabbing a medium-sized binder clip and a plastic bottle cap. Apply a bit of hot glue to the flat metal base of the binder clip, the part that sits on the table, then press the bottle cap firmly onto it. Hold it in place for a few seconds until the glue dries and everything feels secure. Now place your glue stick or hot glue gun on the metal arms of the binder clip. you'll see that the nozzle points directly toward the bottle cap, allowing any excess glue to drip neatly into the cap instead of onto your workspace. It's the perfect setup. The cap catches the drips, and the binder clip keeps everything elevated and stable. This cute little DIY stand prevents sticky messes, protects your work surface from glue stains, and keeps your tools within easy reach while you work. It's quick, practical, and absolutely worth trying. Tip 9. Make a toothpaste tube holder. If you're tired of struggling with your toothpaste tube every morning, especially when there's just a little left that won't come out, this simple trick using a binder clip will solve that problem in seconds. Start by pressing the toothpaste tube flat from the bottom up to push all the remaining paste toward the opening. Once it's smooth and flat, fold the flattened end over and secure it with a binder clip. That's it. The clip will hold the fold tightly in place, keeping the paste exactly where you need it and preventing it from sliding back down. Each time you brush your teeth, just open the cap and squeeze from the top. The toothpaste will come out easily. No waste, no mess, and no more frustration with half-empty tubes. Even better, you can use the metal handles of the binder clip as a little hook to hang your toothpaste tube. It's neat, convenient, and keeps your sink area clean and hygienic every day. Tip 10. Make a simple paintbrush with a sponge and a binder clip. Besides the other tricks, you can make your own mini paintbrush in just 1 minute, no fancy tools needed, and best of all, you won't get paint all over your hands. All you need is a small sponge and a regular binder clip. Start by folding the sponge in half, with the soft, porous side facing out. This side will act as your brush. Then take the binder clip and clamp it tightly over the folded end of the sponge. Make sure it's secure. The metal handles will serve as a comfortable grip for your hand. Now you've got a compact, reusable little paintbrush. It's perfect for small painting jobs, touch-ups, crafts, or even applying glue evenly. The sponge absorbs just the right amount of paint and spreads it smoothly without dripping. It's quick, clean, and super convenient. No messy hands, no expensive brushes. A clever way to turn everyday household items into practical tools for your next creative project. And that's all you need, a few clever, simple ways to turn ordinary binder clips into surprisingly useful tools. From organizing cables to holding photos, or even crafting mini DIY projects, these little clips can do so much more than you might think. Sometimes the everyday items around us can be transformed into something incredibly practical. So don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Tracy Tips for more creative hacks and useful ideas made from the simple things you already have at home.